Numerous cryptographic forms of money took off to new all-time highs during the 2021 bull run. Conversely, some digital currencies have dropped in esteem. Because of such market-logical inconsistencies, numerous crypto dealers and financial backers might be confounded about whether the time has come to hodlers sell their resources while the costs are great. In this video, we will investigate the assessments of various crypto specialists on Matic's future, exchanging open doors, and investigate our Polygon cost expectation. How does Polygon, Matic, work? Matic is a digital currency of the Polygon organization, previously known as Matic Network, which was established in 2017 by three Indian computer programmers. Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun. The Polygon network means to take care of the issues related with the Ethereum blockchain, for example, high exchange charges and organization clog without forfeiting security. The venture plans to animate digital currencies' mass reception by tending to the adaptability issues experienced by numerous blockchains. The Polygon network offered a second-level arrangement rather than going through with exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. Polygon itself processes them first. It is an extra throughout the second biggest cryptographic money, as far as market cap, which permits clients to draw in with the ETH blockchain without managing high gas charges or low exchange speeds. The Polygon blockchain can possibly deal with up to 7,200 exchanges each second, TPS. For correlation, this pointer is equivalent to around 15 for Ethereum. Matic, Polygon's local token, is an ERC20 token in light of the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it very well may be put away in any Ethereum wallet, including IDO and MetaMask. Furthermore, tokens are utilized for installment administrations on Polygon and for settlements between clients who work on the Polygon exchanging stage. Look at the video beneath for more data about the Polygon digital money's elements. Polygon, Matic, Price Analysis 2022. Polygon has fared significantly better compared to numerous other cryptographic forms of money during the 2022 bear market. Rather than consistently diminishing in esteem, it figured out how to hold some key help levels and has even begun rising once more. This was to a limited extent because of the huge scope organizations that digital money has reported during spring and summer of 2022, to be specific, the ones with Coca-Cola and Disney, as well as additional promotion of Layer 2 scaling arrangements. Matic is showing great outcomes and is by all accounts pursuing a drawn-out bullish direction. For its transient possibilities, see the TradingView gadget underneath, refreshed progressively. On the off chance that it shows a purchase signal, that implies Matic cost is presently bullish and is probably going to rise. Assuming the sign is sell, that implies Polygon is right now negative. Polygon, Matic, price predictions for 2022 by experts. Numerous brokers and experts consider this venture very encouraging and anticipate that its cost will rise both in the short and long haul. In any case, nobody knows without a doubt the way that Matic will really perform. Many elements might influence a coin's cost presentation. This is a few specialists' opinion on this digital money's future cost. Polygon Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Polygon costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Polygon will be 75 cents. The greatest level that the Matic cost can reach is 86 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 77 cents. August 2022. Polygon price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Matic cost will be exchanged at 67 cents by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Polygon worth to 73 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 65 cents in August 2022. Matic price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Polygon costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, 70 cents. The most minimal and top Matic rates may be 67 cents and 77 cents. October 2022 Polygon price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Matic cost will be around 73 cents. In October 2022, the Polygon cost might drop to at least 70 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 80 cents in October 2022. Matic price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Polygon costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Matic rate could arrive at a limit of 83 cents in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to 72 cents. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Polygon is almost 75 cents. December 2022 Polygon price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Polygon cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 77 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the Matic cost could change somewhere in the range of 75 cents and 86 cents. Polygon price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Polygon in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Polygon will be around $1.05. The greatest expected Matic cost might be around $1.28. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.09 in 2023. Polygon price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Polygon, in 2024, Matic is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.54 and $1.84, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.60. Polygon price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Polygon and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Matic cost could drop to $2.15, while its greatest can reach $2.65. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.23. Polygon price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Polygon by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Matic costs are normal in 2026, $3.68 and $3.06. By and large, it will be exchanged at $3.15. Polygon price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Polygon. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Matic cost will be around $4.44. It could drop to at least $4.20